Hello, family. Today we're going to make brownie mix cookies, which I've made before, but I found a new recipe and it's much better. So come join me. Okay, let's just see if this recipe is different at all. I like to try out new recipes, even if it's the same thing I made before, just to see, because sometimes you'll find one recipe is totally better than the others. And since I wanted to make these for my coworkers, because now that I'm in the office, I want to cook for my, I want to give treats to my workers. So I've got I'm doubling the recipe, because there's a lot of people up there that's in the break room. I want to make sure I have plenty. So I got 2 boxes of, I just bought the Duncan Hines Chewy Fudgy. That's what I just bought. Whatever was there. I didn't have a preference of a brand. I just did it. Okay, got that done. But you're fine. I know. She's not happy because we have company. They're outside and they have their dog outside. So she's not happy that there's another dog in her yard. But we're not gonna let her out because she's very protective over her territory and her mom and dad. And she's not going to have it. She won't have it. So she'll get upset. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to add, I'm doubling the recipe, so I'm adding 4 eggs. And I'm going to add 1/2 cup of oil, doubling it. Now the batter's going to be thick, so it's supposed to be thick. If it's not, I'll have to add a little more flour. So I'll have to add a little more flour if it's not thick enough. I'm going to add, doubling it, so I'm going to add 1/2 cup of flour. Okay. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Yeah, and the office that they found for me to work in, it's not just for the program that I work for. It's also for workforce center, probation. There's all kinds of social workers, county workers. So there's lots of people there to give cookies to. And I do have the oven on 375. So I'm going to give this a mix. I am going to get my scraper here, my handy dandy scraper, and kind of give it a scrape. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine. Now I'm going to pour some, we're going to put some chocolate chips in this. And you know me and chocolate chips, it says 1 cup, but we're probably going to put, let's just put the whole bag. Chocolate, can't have enough, can't have too much chocolate. Now, this is thick, so it's a good thing though. Probably should have had my bigger. Probably should have had my bigger mixer here, but I don't. I don't want to use it right now. I just want to make sure that it's all the dry is off of there, off the bottom. Oh yeah, it is thick. That's it. That's all we have to do. Simple, simple, simple. No, it's just simple. I like to do simple recipes. And tomorrow I'm going to be also making scones, so I will be recording that too. Okay. Yeah, I'll be tomorrow after work. I'm gonna be making those scones for a neighbor of mine wanted me to. She's gonna buy the ingredients, and I'm gonna make this. I'm gonna make the scones for her camping trip. You're fine. I can't stop her from barking. There's a dog in her yard. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna roll these into balls, and it said 1.5-inch balls, so that's about right. 2 inches apart. You're fine. Just you're fine, baby girl. I know. Okay, just to make sure, I'm gonna do 6 on a thing here. All right. You're fine. Now we're gonna put these in the oven for like 10 minutes or however long it takes. We want the outsides to look a little crinkly. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. They're kind of dull looking. It took my oven 14 minutes. So now we're gonna let them sit for 10 minutes to cool. Here's your cookie. Let's see, let's break it. Let's try it. Much better than the other ones I have uploaded. Soft. chewy, loaded with chocolate chips. This one you'll have to try. So thanks for joining me, and we'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. And don't forget that I pray for you, all my subscribers. Bye for now.